Imagine this. Two people earn the exact same salary. One drives a brand new luxury car, wears expensive watches, posts every vacation online, and looks rich. The other drives a reliable used car, rarely talks about money, lives quietly, and almost nobody notices them. Fast forward 15 years, the first person is drowning in debt, the second person quietly becomes a millionaire. Here's the truth most people never realize. Real wealth is usually invisible. The richest people aren't always the loudest. They don't need to prove anything because their money is working behind the scenes. Today, I'll show you 14 smart moves that quietly build wealth without anyone even realizing it. By the end of this video, you'll understand why looking average today can make you financially free tomorrow. Let's get started. Number 1. Stop trying to look rich. Many people spend money to impress people who honestly aren't paying attention. Luxury clothes, expensive cars, and the newest gadgets often create the illusion of wealth, not actual wealth. Real wealth is what you keep, not what you show. The less you feel the need to impress others, the faster your money starts working for you. Number 2, pay yourself first. Every paycheck should have one important destination before anything else: your future. Automatically transfer a portion of every paycheck into investments or savings before paying bills or buying anything. You won't miss money you never see. Small automatic habits create massive long-term results. Number 3, invest quietly. Every month, you don't need to announce your investments. You don't need to tell your friends about every stock you buy. Just invest consistently. Whether it's index funds, retirement accounts, or other long-term investments, consistency beats excitement every single time. Quiet investing creates loud results years later. Number 4, keep lifestyle inflation under control. Most people get a raise, then immediately upgrade their lifestyle. Bigger apartment, new car, better phone, more expensive vacations. Instead, let your income grow faster than your spending. That's one of the fastest ways to build real wealth. Number 5, build multiple income streams. Your paycheck should never be your only source of income. Create side businesses. Invest in dividend-paying assets. Start an online business, earn royalties, create digital products. The goal is simple: make money even while you're sleeping. Number 6, stay out of bad debt. Debt steals your future income. Before buying something expensive, ask yourself one question: will this make me richer or just look richer? The answer often changes everything. Number 7, learn valuable skills. Your greatest investment isn't the stock market, it's you. Improve your communication, learn sales, master technology, understand investing. The more valuable your skills become, the more opportunities naturally come your way. No one can take knowledge away from you. Number 8, protect your privacy. Not everyone needs to know how much money you make. Avoid showing every purchase on social media. Privacy reduces pressure. When people don't know your financial situation, you make decisions based on your goals, not their expectations. Number 9, buy assets before luxuries. Before buying expensive toys, buy assets that pay for those toys. Let your investments purchase your lifestyle, not your paycheck. This one mindset shift separates consumers from wealth builders. Number 10, ignore social media competition. You're watching someone's highlight reel, not their bank account. Many people look successful while secretly struggling financially. Never compare your real life to someone else's carefully edited moments. Focus on your own financial journey. Number 11, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses happen to everyone. An emergency fund protects your investments from being sold during difficult times. Financial freedom starts with financial security. Number 12, be patient. Wealth isn't built in weeks. It isn't built in months. It's built through years of smart decisions repeated consistently. Most people quit because progress feels slow. Successful investors keep going anyway. Patience is one of the highest paying financial skills you'll ever develop. Number 13, choose friends wisely. Your financial habits often reflect the people around you. Spend time with people who value discipline over showing off, who talk about ideas instead of gossip, who build instead of consume. The right environment quietly changes your future. Number 14, Let results speak for you. The wealthiest people often don't need validation. They don't argue online. They don't chase attention. They quietly invest, quietly save, quietly build businesses. And one day, people suddenly call them lucky. But it wasn't luck. It was years of invisible discipline. Remember this. Building wealth isn't about looking successful. It's about becoming financially free. The world celebrates expensive lifestyles, but your bank account celebrates smart decisions. Years from now, nobody will remember the car you drove or the designer clothes you wore, but you'll remember the freedom your investments gave you. Start small, stay consistent, stay patient, and let your wealth grow quietly while the rest of the world is busy trying to look rich. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more videos that help you build lasting wealth and financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Next.